This video will go over how to use your alternative testing accommodations and is brought to you by the Accessible Education Center at San Jose State University. Visit our website at www.sjsu.edu/AEC. If you run into any errors that are not addressed in this video, please email aec-exams@sjsu.edu or read the Alternative Testing Guide, which can be found in your letter of eligibility. Before we begin, make sure you've signed your e-agreements and requested your accommodations in My AEC. Now, let's get started. Log into your My AEC account. First, make sure the left menu is visible. To the left of the page header titled Overview, click the icon that has a vertical line and a less than sign inside a square. Then, towards the bottom of the left menu, click Alternative Testing. Now that you're on the Alternative Testing page, click on the drop-down menu in the middle of the page. Next to Select Course. You will see a list of courses you are enrolled in. Select a course, and then click the button Schedule an Exam. Before continuing, read the terms and conditions, and then check the box, which indicates that you are aware that requests for alternative testing must be submitted at least 3 full business days prior to the exam date. This means if your test date is Friday, the request should be completed no later than Monday of that week. Note, the deadline for final exams is November for the fall semester and April of the spring semester. Next, choose an option under the Available Exam Dates drop-down menu. When choosing the option, the exam I'm scheduling is not listed, select the appropriate exam type, date, and time. The standard length of exam is the number of minutes the professor is giving the class to complete the test. If you do not know what the standard time is, please contact your instructor. Then, underneath Services Requested, select the accommodations you want to apply for the exam. In the Additional Note box, add information about what items should be included in the test, per your professor's instructions. This could be specific calculators, exam notes, or conflicts in your schedule. Note, always follow up with an email to aec-exams@sjsu.edu to explain time conflicts. Then click Add Exam Request towards the bottom of the page. You should see a confirmation message at the top of the page upon submitting your request. If not, please read the Alternative Testing Guide or email aec-exams@sjsu.edu